Welcome students to our today's lesson. Today we are going to study the solar installation technology, and to the introduction part I want to introduce what solar energy is. And solar energy is the energy that comes from the sun. And in solar installation, we have got four major components that are used in solar installation. The first one is the photovoltaic module. A photovoltaic module, in simple terms, it is the solar panel. So this solar panel is the photovoltaic module. We call it the PV module in short form, whereby P is the photovoltaic and the P is the photo, V is the voltaic. The two of them gives you the photovoltaic. So this is the solar module, which is the PV module. The second component that is used in solar installation is the charge controller. And a charge controller is this one. This is the charge controller. So this charge controller, the function of this charge controller, it is the one that is used to protect the overcharging and the overdischarging of the battery. We are going to look into that. Then the other component that is used in solar installation is the storage battery. A storage battery is this one. So this is the battery. This is the one that stores the energy and the charges in terms of the chemical energy. The other thing is the other component is the the DC stock AC inverter. This is the inverter. We are going to look into the functions of each of these components. So this is the inverter, this one. And basically, those are the four major components of a solar system. Now let's get to the functions of each of the components of the solar system, and let's get into the first one, which is the photovoltaic module, which is, we have called it the solar module. Now the function of this solar module, which is the PV module, it is to convert solar energy into direct current electricity. We call it DC in short form. Hence, they are power generating devices. So in short, this is the one that generates the power in solar energy. But now it generates the power in form of DC electricity. So it converts the solar energy into DC electricity. That's why we are saying it is a power generating device. The other component is the charge controller. This one. This charge controller, like we shall see in our next lesson, I will even configure them. You get to see the working. The function of this charge controller, this one, it is the one that is used to protect the battery from overcharging and overdischarging. Remember, once you connect this charge controller to the whole of the system, to the battery, to the charge controller, again the PV module and the inverter, this charge controller is the one that protects the battery from overdischarging and overcharging. So there's no way that the battery can overdischarge, and there's no way the battery can overcharge. So it is the one that protects the battery. The other component is the solar battery. This one, this is the solar battery, and a solar battery is used to store the direct current from the photovoltaic module by converting it into chemical energy. So you basically know that this battery is connected to the PV module, this one, through the charge controller. So the function of this battery is to store the direct current from the solar module. So this solar module charges the battery so that at night you can use that stored energy from the battery. The other major component, which is the last one in the solar system, it is the DC stock AC inverter, and DC stock AC inverter is this one. And basically, the DC stock AC inverter, it converts the DC electricity into AC electricity. So basically, that is the function of the AC, the DC stock AC inverter. So we shall stop there for today, and in our next lesson, I will get to connect those components. You see how they operate. So thank you so much. Let's meet in our next lesson.